Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to clear all the cache and junk files from your Windows 11 computer, and this is relatively easy. So just on the home screen here, let's go on over to the start menu, right click on it, and go to run. Now, when this little window does appear, let's type in fetch, just like this, prefetch, and then go on over to OK. And select this. Then this permission will open up, go to continue. Now we're going to get a folder with a bunch of different files on it. So click anywhere into the folder and hit Control and A, and we will be able to select everything in the folder. Then go on over to the delete key and delete everything in here. So I have 514 items I can send to the recycling bin. Let's go to yes. Now this is cleared out and it's moving over. And some of the files may not transfer over. We can just go to skip and do this for all of them. If there is more than one. Now let's go back down to the start menu, right click on this and go back to run. Now instead of typing in prefetch, let's type in temp, T-E-M-P, then go to OK. Then this folder will open up. Let's highlight everything once again, then right click into here and we can go to delete or press the delete key and delete all the items under this folder. And some items might not delete, which is fine. Now close that folder and then go back to the Windows Start button, right click on this and then go to run. Now this time let's type in %temp, just like this, and then go to OK. Then this folder will open up. Select somewhere in the folder and then press Control A. And this will highlight everything. Press the delete key. And I have 528 items in here to delete. So let's go to yes. And once again, I won't be able to delete some folders, I believe. Yep. Then select do this for all items and go to skip. And then everything should be deleted under here. We can close down this folder now once this is complete. And let's go back to the Windows Start button and right click on it and go to run. Now let's type in cleanmgr, just like this, and press enter. Now select a drive. I'm going to go to my C drive right here. Then check mark everything under here and go to OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Let's go to delete files, and it's cleaning up that specific disk. Now you can go back to your other hard drives if you have them on there, and you can do this as well for those. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.